In the shadowy embrace of Tamurong, the haunting cries of locals echo eerily as pirates emerge, shrouding a tapestry of mystery and tradition. Venture into this coastal haven where the vivid tapestry of culture intertwines seamlessly with the elusive legacy of the legendary pirates. Our journey commenced from the heart of the city of Kandan's main square, guiding the team on a 30-minute odyssey westward to the enigmatic community of Tamurong. Armed with nothing but awe and admiration for the spellbinding narrative behind the resonant chant Tamoro, our destination beckoned us to engage with the inhabitants, peeling back the layers of intrigue through insightful interviews.
Sigon tis istorya na kong kan sigon nito'y history iti barangay Tamurong. Adda kanong idyon una na adda kanong sumungsungad nga adu nga atay nga magdaratoy ka pirata no disimbang lagda nga road kano dito'y ayan tayo dito ayami. Lumakita da kano na kung dagita ipukpukaw da kano ti Tamuro ko na da kat idi kwan idi mabaybayag kano na kung after ay aqua manon adda kano manon umayon may da kano manon kat ibagada ti Tamuro agtataray data mabutag da nga road kasi pirata sabsawali nga ropa iso nga dayta tinapanaganan iti Tamurong nga Tamurong nagbaling nga Tamurong kada jay ikis da nga Tamuro na so nagbaling mat nga Tamuro.
Tamurong came from the word Tamoro. Their set of beliefs are still spreading in their barangay, and through education it is still gradually passed on to the students and future generation.
Okay, from the lulong ko iti ko nana. Ita kano igit ti baybay dito yung ambianan. Ano kano kitay moro. Ano nga imay simakop. Nung daya kano mo, tanda kano mo simakop mo talaga. Isla nailawlaw da lang. Nailawlaw da kano igit ti baybay. They are moros. And then, tapos na kitay nakataga-tamurong. May nakita da. Ay, damoro. And then from the word nga at damoro, na panan di came up the word at Tamoro. So naman, kuna naman di lalakay kung babakot. Hindi naman daw sila pirata, parang may law-law lang kami. Tapos from the gintap mo lang pumintas the history of Tamurong, they become pirates. No? Tapos ni Ma'am Abaya, late Sabina Abaya. Isun iti writer, iti the story of Tamurong. So dati ng surat.
Since Barangay Tamurong is near at the sea, one of the occupation of the people is fishing. There are many kinds of fish that they are selling to the market.
Iti ikan ko, mati pagbagaragan, imas ti ikan ti, Tamurong, barangan, buti bugok, yellow cane, iti tambakol, paslugan, dorado, layalay, padas, taburkek, puset, dati mami na kitang kahit. Dami mo kita ada nga espada natin, ng ising at ubukawin.
Nang kanta tidog.
Tidog, ganyan ka,
Barangay Tamurong has a unique culture as they are still believing the history of their place. Their generation today have an impact about the past, and the sea serves as their livelihood because of the many types of fish, which is one of the beautiful places found at Barangay Tamurong.